Hey everyone, let's take a quick walkthrough of Worklenz. First off, open your browser and type Worklenz. Now, click the Try for Free button to start using Worklenz for free. In here, enter your full name in the text field to complete the sign-up form. Afterwards, enter your work or business email address in the email field to proceed with registration. If you don't have one, use your personal email, no problem at all. Enter a stronger password in the field, at least 8 characters, including 1 uppercase and 1 lowercase, at least 1 number, and at least 1 special character. After that, click the Sign Up button to create your new Worklenz account. As a quick option, you can use Google Sign Up or Apple Sign Up, eliminating the need to remember a password. Now enter your organization name in the text field to set up your workspace. This is your team name. You can create more teams later. Next, click the Continue button to proceed to the next setup step. Then, give your project a name or proceed with pre-built templates. There are plenty of pre-built templates you can use. After that, click the Continue button to proceed with your project setup. Then, go ahead and add your first task. You can easily customize everything in Worklenz, so just add one for now and you'll be all set to move forward. Click the Continue button to proceed with completing your account setup. Invite your team members by adding their emails, or you can skip this for now. There are a few ways to invite your members that I'll share later. Great work! Now you're inside Worklenz. Here you can see your workplace, which we call the team from now on. By clicking the Home link here, you can go to your main dashboard. Here is your home page view, which will be filled with your details as they grow. You can view all the projects you have created or joined within your team or workspace by clicking on the Projects tab. If you're not seeing your joined projects here, please check the team you're in and switch teams if needed, and check again. To access account settings and preferences, click the User Profile button on the top right menu. Next up, click on Admin Center to access Workspace Administration settings. You can change the Worklenz logo to your organization's logo. This will make it more personalized. We will also offer more options for white labeling soon. To manage and view all team members in your organization, click on the User tab. I know it is not only you, your team members must be here. To invite them, click the Invite button. Enter the team member's work email. By using comma, you can add more members at here. Now click on GuyanaWorklenz.com to select this email for sending the invite. You can set the team member's access level here. There are user roles as admin, team leader, and member. If you can't remember your colleague's email, no problem. Use this invite with the link option. You can share it by copying and sharing it over email, WhatsApp, or any app. To generate a shareable invitation link, click on the Create Link button and copy the link. I'll send the invitation over email for now. You can use any methods. After that, the invited member will receive an email. Here, Gayan will get an email invitation. Here, click the sync icon to refresh and update the users list. To manage and organize your team members, click on Teams. Using the CRA Add Team button, you can create more teams, which are similar to workspaces. Enter any desired team name in the Team Name text field. Here I add as Dev Team. By clicking here, you can switch between the team you created or the teams you have already joined. All the teams will be listed here to quickly switch between teams. Now let's see projects inside view. Click on the Projects tab. In the Dev team, there is no project yet, so let's create a new one. Previously, we created a project in the Worklenz team during the setup steps. Here you can set more information related to a project. Fill them as you need. In Advanced Settings, access additional project configuration options such as Progress, Measure Settings, Task Assign Settings. By clicking on the down arrow next to the Create Project, you can create a project from pre-built templates or your saved templates. Click on Create from Templates and then select the pre-built project template. To view and manage your project timeline and deadlines overall, click on Schedule. Click on Reports to access project analytics and performance metrics. Click on the Project tab. Click on Members to view members' performance and their analytics. To access the Admin Client Portal, click on the Client Portal tab at the top. To view your current plan and upgrade option, click on the profile icon here. Then, on the Billing or Admin Center, Billing tab. Click on Upgrade Plan. You can choose any billing cycle, and I recommend yearly since you save more. If you have any questions, contact us at support@worklenz.com or leave a comment here. We will respond promptly.